Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we are going to make this mouth-watering lamb curry or mutton curry. This is easily the most delicious lamb curry I have ever tried in my life, and I would love to share it with all of you. Here are the ingredients for this recipe. We will start by marinating the lamb. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic chili paste, 1 cup of yogurt, and then we will mix all of these ingredients together. I'm using a spatula to mix these ingredients, but you can also use your hands. It is very important to mix this marinade really well and blend all the flavors together. You can either marinate it for 1 hour or marinate it in the refrigerator overnight. Now that my lamb is marinated, I am going to start making the masala. Add oil to the pan, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, then add whole garam masala and bay leaves. We will then add 3 finely chopped onions and 4 red chilies. Fry the onion until it is golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic and chili paste. We will fry the onions a little more so that they get caramelized. The onions are ready. Now add the marinated lamb to the onions. Then blend all the flavors of the masala with the lamb and fry the lamb for 10 minutes on a low-medium flame. It is important to fry it at a low-medium flame so that the yogurt does not get curdled. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, and 2 tablespoons of cumin powder. Mix all the masalas together. Cover the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, check the lamb. You will see that the oil has started oozing. It has fried really well. Now go ahead and add tomato puree from 4 tomatoes and mix everything together. At this point, taste the salt and add more if it is needed. Cover the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. Our tomato puree is mixed well with the gravy. Now we will cook on a low-medium flame for 20 minutes and then add masalas. Our gravy has been cooking for 20 minutes. Now we will add the masalas. Add 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi, a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves, and then mix everything together. If you prefer a thinner consistency of the gravy, you can add more water, but I really prefer this consistency. Now cook for 10 more minutes on a low flame. It has been 10 minutes. Now we will taste the salt and add more if needed. The salt is perfect. Now cook for 5 more minutes on a low flame and then our lamb curry will be ready. It has been 5 minutes and our lamb curry is now ready. Our lamb curry is now done and ready to serve. It looks delicious and smells really delicious. I just tried this lamb curry with some garlic naan and guys, let me tell you, I just went to heaven and came back. Well, I'm so glad that I'm back because I have so many recipes to share with you guys. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel so that together we can get spiced and thrive in the tasty curry heaven. Until next time, have a wonderful day.